Hello guys, just doing a little crafting today. My husband and I went out to the farm and I was going to do some crafting. This isn't done yet, but I bought these little, what you use for shakers from Michael's, and I got some stickles, and Very Happy Bird Glitter Nest had recommended a seller on Etsy, so I purchased the prints and downloaded them, and I have my little cutter, 2.5 cut punch, and what else? So I decided to do it a little bit differently than she did. I decided to make it into a shaker, and I bought these cute little snowflake glitter and then turn it into an ornament. If you guys could see, it's not dry yet. I also use stickles on the outside, but that'll be the back once I cut around it with an X-Acto knife. But this is what it's gonna look like. So I think it's so cute. And I have a whole bunch of images I still have to work with. Then I had this one, and what I was planning on doing with this one, cutting, see, now this is buckling, so this one's no good. I'm gonna have to redo this one, but I was gonna use some triple thick and make it glossy. I was gonna buy resin, but I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna go that crazy. But I'm gonna have to redo that one, and I'm just playing around. I also made a new chunky charm, and I am so happy with this one. This one's an angel. I don't know if you guys can see her little face because I have so many beads on it, but there she is, and it is lots of fun. I love it. I went to Michael's, I purchased some beads, and I used my coupon because beads are like ridiculously expensive. And I used these frosted bead charms that I get from AliExpress. And I actually purchased this large charm at the bottom from AliExpress. You can't really tell, but it is about, from top to bottom, 10 inches. It's really, really pretty. I mean, really pretty. But this is what I did today, and I'm probably gonna do some work for my job tomorrow on Columbus Day, and that's about it. So I'm hoping everyone has a lovely and blessed Sunday evening. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.